Today, many telecom operators are using what I call the old Excel tools and methodology to prioritize their investments. These tools are generating many inefficiencies. To just name a few, Excel are subject to human mistakes. The models built are complicated to refresh and iterate upon. I've worked with an operator that had 30 different Excel models flying around the organization, and generally those models are built by technology, generating silos in the investment decision. To give you an example, one of our clients was planning to invest in Wi-Fi, 4G and fiber in the same place without even realizing it. The concept behind Smart CAPEX is to drop the old Excel approach and instead start using high-tech software dedicated to investment prioritization needs. So these kinds of software, they leverage the latest technology in terms of big data, advanced analytics and data visualization to really help the telcos improve their prioritization strategy at the most granular level. Well, I believe that telcos need to start using Smart CAPEX tools for three main reasons. First, the return. The telcos that have used Smart CAPEX technologies have proven to generate up to 20% CAPEX efficiency gains. That translates into hundreds of millions of savings on a standard fiber deployment. Second, with investment becoming larger and larger and the payback period becoming longer, well, the telcos have no other choice than to use whatever tool they can get access to maximize the value they can extract out of those investments. And finally, well, it's not the 90s anymore. If telcos needs to compete with the Netflix, the Amazon, the Google of this world, they need to start embracing those types of big data technology, and they need to start leveraging the huge quantity of data they are collecting daily, especially to take such strategic decisions as where to build my network and where to invest.